Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Mimic Marker. First, you'll want to start in the main game area. Look for a tall, magical clock tower. There are secret ladders behind and in front of it. Climb both to reach the very top where the clock face is located. This will teleport you to the next crucial area for your adventure. Once you've been teleported to the vibrant, washable kingdom, your next task is to find and activate 7 special orbs. These orbs are scattered throughout the area. It's very important to activate them in the correct order: purple, orange, cyan, red, yellow, white, and finally, dark blue. Activating them out of sequence will require you to restart this step. With all 7 orbs successfully activated, a hidden passage will now open. You need to make your way to the Dragon Marker's nest. Inside this nest, you will find the secret door that was previously inaccessible. Step through this door to continue your journey into a mysterious new area, leading you closer to your goal. After entering the secret passage, you will find yourself in a hidden garden. Carefully climb the cliffs in front of you to reach a concealed entrance. This leads to a room brimming with numerous treasure chests. To claim the Mimic Marker, open the chest located in the back right corner and jump inside. Congratulations, you found it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.